Each camera manufacturer uses a different type of media card to record to, and for this video we're going to solely look at Canon and their RF line of cameras. The R3, R5, and R5C all use CFexpress Type B and SDXC ports. The R6 Mark II that was recently released has dual SDXC, and as well as the R7 dual SDXC. The R10, which is Canon's APS-C most consumer-based and cheapest RF camera, is only single SDXC. Where oddly, Canon's C70, their flagship RF mount cinema camera right now, the R5C is sort of a hybrid still camera slash cinema camera, it maybe surprisingly uses dual SDXC. But maybe unsurprisingly because it records a maximum of 4K 120, no 6K and no 8K capabilities. So that may be the reason. Now that we know which cards are used, let's look at the actual speeds of the bus interface that these different medias use. So SDXC UHS-2 is a maximum of duplex 312 megabytes per second, which is 2.5 gigabits per second. And then the CFexpress Type B interface, which is much faster, read and writes at 2 gigabytes per second, which is 16 gigabit per second. And that is the absolute maximum the bus speed can read and write at. How each card is manufactured and engineered will be the real speeds of it. So you don't, just because you have a bus speed that is that fast does not mean that the card can actually read and write that quickly. It means that if the manufacturer wants to spend enough money to engineer the card to do so, it has that capability.